Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys. Okay, what do we have right here from Nickelodeon? What is that? It's Blaze and the Monster Machines. What is this? It's a flip and race Speedway. Ho, check this out. Okay, there's Blaze and AJ, and check out who's that right there. Darrington. Whoa, so this is a flip and race Speedway. So check it out. This Blaze can flip over and change his appearance, or change what he looks like. So let's check out the back and see what it looks like. Whoa, look at that. A turbo flipper. So he goes around the track, blazes right into Velocityville, and he can flip around. So this is pretty cool. So check these out down here. You got flip and race Stripes, you got flip and race Darrington, and flip and race Blaze that comes with this track. So this is going to be pretty fun. So we need to open this up and check it out. But first, I think Blaze needs a little bit of competition. So what about this Darrington right here? Check it out. If I flip it over, look, check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, and he needs some more competition, right? So we can't go without Stripes. Check out Stripes. That's pretty awesome right there. Alright, so let's open these up and check this flip and race Speedway out. Alright, so let's open this box up and get all these pieces out of here. Whoa, there's a couple right there. Let's dump this thing out. Whoa, that's a lot of pieces. Can't forget about Blaze right here. Alright, let's get Blaze out of here. Okay, so here's Blaze. Let's see if he flips over. Boom, just like that. He's red. Boom, to yellow. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. Look at these big, huge tires. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's check out this Darrington. Get him off the track. Oh, there he is. Okay, so we got him out of here. Check that out. He's white. And then you flip him over. Boom, he's blue. White, blue. Pretty cool. All right. And now let's check out Stripes. Okay, let's get him out of the package. Alright, so here is Stripes, and let's check him out. He's yellow right here. Flip him over and he's purple. Check out those stripes. That is pretty cool. Check out these big wheels. Awesome. All the tracks that you can get for Blaze and the Monster Machines. So these are pretty cool, but look at all these. The collector checklist. You've got Blaze and Crusher and Darrington and Pickle and Blazing Speed Blaze. And Starla, Stripes, Zeg, Mud Racing Blaze, Bighorn, Sheep Truck. Look at all those different trucks and Monster Machines you can get. Those are pretty cool right there. And look at this Blaze Turbo Launcher. I need to get one of those. That would be awesome. All right, so let's put this track together. We got it all together, and check this thing out. Look at this flippin' racetrack. This thing is so cool. We got Blaze, we got Darrington, and we got Stripes, and they're ready to try this awesome track out. So check it out. You go up the top of the track, and you can flip this to either go down, or you can go right through here. Boom. Pop through that little gate. And then you can flip over and flip your colors over. Come down, jump across this little jump right here, right into the dirt. Spin the sign right here. Check this sign out. There we go. Alright, and then you can either come through here and finish the race by opening this gate right here, or you can keep going to the power boost and shoot right up the hill and around again. So let's try this out. Alright guys, what do you think of the cool new racetrack? Oh yeah, Blaze, this thing's gonna be awesome. Wow, yeah it is, Blaze. I can't wait to race on this track. I know guys, this track has cool features. There's 2 different ways you could race it. 2 different ways? Are you serious? This is gonna be awesome. Yeah, the first way is just going around the track. You hit the turbo boost, and then you go uphill and then back downhill and hit this sweet jump. It's so cool. And then you come around the dirt part and then back into the turbo boost again. Oh man, I can't wait for that. That's gonna be so much fun. But what's the second part of the track, Blaze? Oh, the second part is so cool. Once you get to the top of the hill, you can take a left and go to the flip and change part of the racetrack. It's pretty cool. Then you can flip over and change your paint job just like this. Let's blaze! Whoa, that was pretty cool, Blaze. I can't wait to get to that part of the racetrack. Yeah, me neither, Blaze. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, so who wants to go first? I'll go first. I think it's gonna be awesome. Okay, I think I'm ready. Here we go. Ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was awesome. Let's do it again. Whoops, I flipped over. Wow, this track is awesome! It is so fast, and this jump is so much fun! Alright, Blaze, I gotta go to the flip and race part of the track. I want to get a new paint job. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm ready to change my paint job! Whoa! Check out this cool paint job. This track is awesome. Let's do it again. Oh yeah! Look at that. This track changes colors every single time. Uh-oh, I crashed. I guess it's your turn, Stripes. All right, it's my turn. I can't wait to go up there and change my color. Oh, look at me, I'm purple. Check out my stripes. Rawr. That is so cool. Okay, now it's time to go fast. That jump is awesome. I want to go faster. One more time. Hey, Stripes, can I have a turn? This track looks like so much fun. I want to blaze. Sure can, Blaze. All right. This is going to be awesome. Oh, this track is fast. Woohoo! Yeah! Alright, now it's time to change my paint job. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, here I go. Flipping over. Whoa! Check that out. I got a brand new paint job. Let's blaze! This track is awesome! Whoops! I didn't make it all the way. Oh no! Blaze crashed right here on the jump. Oh no! We'll just squeeze this button right here and he'll flip down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Darrington and Stripes, what'd you think of this track? It's pretty cool, right? Oh yeah, Blaze, it's pretty cool. Sure is, Blaze. I can't wait to keep on racing on this track. Me neither. This track is so much fun. Let's keep racing. Alright guys, so this Blaze and the Monster Machines Flip and Race Speedway is pretty cool. It's a lot of fun with Blaze and Stripes and Darrington. Who is your favorite racer? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Also, what do you think of this track? Is it pretty cool? I really like this part where you can flip and race them. Oops, sorry about that, Stripes. But this track is really, really cool. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for other Blaze and the Monster Machine videos and for more exciting toys. Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?